Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander LS. Stock reference number 4904. The shape runs from the 10th month 2012 through to the 3rd month 2015. It has a 4J12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 4J12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand fog light with surround. Left guard has one small dent. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage, so as does the left rear door. We have the left-hand side skirt. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Tidy rear bumper cover. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module with neck. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side skirt. Right rear door has two small dents. Right front door has one small dent. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It has a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.